Hello guys, and welcome back to Makimis channel. For today's video, I will teach you another tips and tricks regarding the Dama or checkers. Okay, but before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell below to get the latest updates of my new videos. Okay, and you will also find in my playlist many tips and tricks about the checkers or Dama. So you can find out right there if you wanna see and know more about checkers. Okay, so now let us start this formation, or I mean the tips and tricks for today. As you can see, the first movement was from the opponent. The opponent will go to the side. Your first move is to go right here. Actually, this movement is coming from the master or champion level of the computer. Okay, so the next movement was right here. As you can see, you need to go right here. The opponent will form the arrowhead and the arrow tail. So the opponent is trying to form the arrow to make a trap. Okay, so your next movement to do is to make a line right here. The next movement of the opponent is to go right here or else right there. So let's assume that the enemy or the opponent will go right there. Okay, so you will let this one eat up. Okay, so as you can see, you bounce back, and then when this chip will go right here, you will cover. Then the enemy or the opponent will go right there, so you need to go right here. Do you know why? So that this one right here can be used to let this one eat up. Okay, so let this one eat, then you want to punch him right here so that you can have the flying king. Okay, so there's no other way for the opponent to stop that movement. As you can see, if the opponent will go right here, he will have no other. Okay, so as you can see, if he also go right there, you will eat twice. The opponent has no other option than going right here or right here. Okay, so let's assume the enemy will go right here. It is a biggest means of the enemy or the opponent to go right there. Do you know why? Do you see the movement that causes the enemy's miss? Okay, so if you have seen it, you are a good player. Okay, you will let that eat up. As you can see, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Did you see that? The opponent only eat 2 pieces, but you eat 5 pieces. That's a 3-piece advantage, right? Okay, so let's assume another movement if the opponent will not go right there. Okay, so if the opponent goes right here, there is no more way he can win. Okay, let him eat up, then you will let him eat up again. You will eat twice, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so that's the 3 tips and tricks that I will teach you right now. Then next time I will also upload another video with that type of opening, so that you will learn a lot from that opening. Okay, so I hope you can apply that in your real situation when you are playing a Dama, guys. I really hope. And I hope you learn a lot from my videos, and I hope it helps you to win the game easily. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and once again, have a good day.